everybody, and welcome to Cam and the Fam. And today, guys, I am baking tacos. I forgot to take my ground beef out, so my taco meat is still frozen. So we're going to add some garlic powder, and we're going to add some black pepper, and we're going to add some water. So we're going to let this meat brown, and we'll bring you guys back. Well, guys, as you can see, this ground beef is still cooking, but the water it actually have to meat, it steams the meat and it have to cook a little faster. So I'll bring you guys back once it's totally brown, which will probably be another, I would say about another 15 minutes. So we'll bring you guys back. So guys, as you can see, my ground beef is brown. So now I'm getting ready to add my taco seasoning. And we're going to mix this taco season around. And what I do, since the meat is still hot, I make sure that I get this taco season on all of the meat. And you can also add your seasoning too while it's cooking. So what I do, I add a little water. And I take this time to break up any of the, big chunks of meat that the ground beef make. Okay, so we're going to add a little more water. And we're going to let this simmer. After I add this water, we're going to let this meat simmer for like another minute or two. And we'll bring you guys back once I get ready. I said I was going to make tacos. I think I'm going to make nachos, something that's quicker. So I'll bring you guys back in a sec. So as you can see, the meat has cooked down. And we're just going to leave this pot on this meat. And I'm getting ready to chop up my lettuce and warm up my cheese. So follow me to the counter. So we're just chopping up this lettuce. Guys, there's so many things I can look in my cabinet and see that I ran out of. I don't have any sour cream. I have very little pecani sauce. What else? Oh my goodness, it's so much stuff that when you're under quarantine, you just don't want to go to the store for. Y'all know I ran out of my pecani sauce. I mean I'm kind of emotional. Just forgive me. I ran out of
okay, it's okay.
My paprika.
You ran out of Rica?
Yeah, I ran out the Rica.
Not the Rica.
So I'm just talking and cut up this. But now I'm getting ready to put this. Let me stop crying. Get yourself together, Miss Cinnamon.
No, for me, okay? You got this. You got this.
So y'all, I'm getting ready to warm up this cheese. And I'm getting ready to just warm it up. And just make sure that these the best nachos I can make.
Oh, you got this.
Without all the stuff that I normally have.
It's okay. Take time.
I know. So I have this cheese. This con queso cheese. It's from Aldi's. And I'm getting ready to warm it up. I was going to add a little milk. But y'all, I don't even have no milk. So I'm just going... Guys, follow me over to the store. He think it's funny. So we gonna warm this cheese up.
Hey.
You follow me to the stove.
Alright, come on.
So guys.
It's okay, boy. You need help though? Okay, look at you.
Okay. Here you go my oops. Here you go my cheese. It's emotional right now.
Yo,
but it's gonna be okay, guys. It's alright. I'm tempted to put some water in this. Why are you laughing? Did you eat it? Did you drink all of the milk? There's some milk left, right?
I don't think so.
See, y'all have nothing. So I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. So we got this little bit of cheese left.
I'm sorry, bro.
And as y'all can see, Cinnamon trying to do the best you know.
You got this, you got this.
We don't have no sour cream, so I might just use ranch.
No, not the ranch, not the ranch.
Ranch.
Oh, God, no.
So we just gonna stir this cheese.
Yo, that's facts.
It's so sad I didn't even have the pan on.
You ain't got the stove on?
I didn't even have the stove on.
Oh, no.
So I'm alright. Let me pull myself together.
You got this one. I believe in you.
So
though.
we just gonna let this cheese melt a little bit. Y'all gonna stay with me while my cheese melt down.
We got you. We got you.
Alright. I don't know why I was stirring because the pan is still not hot. No, we got. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just being silly. But we're stirring this cheese in. I don't know why I use this big pan. It's not like it's a lot of cheese. So we're gonna let this cheese warm up. Wow. Guys, the stove not even on.
You used the wrong eye.
Yeah. Cinnamon, get yourself together.
Oh,
and my son is just sitting up here just tickled. His mama is, man, I want to go to a grocery store. But that's okay though. That's okay. That's all right. That's all right.
We're putting you through an intervention.
So this time my cheese is actually melting. Why are you laughing? Guys, you see what I have to go with. See what I have to deal with. So we're letting our cheese melt.
Mm-hmm.
And what you all didn't see is I made a big spill on the side of this pan.
Yeah.
Probably half of the cheese is actually sliding down my stove. It's rough, y'all. And I probably need to be careful using these napkins. Because y'all know I can't go to the store.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's coming together, y'all.
It's kind of like peaceful, like when you make that roof.
Yeah, this is just cheese. So we're only gonna let this warm up for probably like another 30 seconds.
It's okay, bro.
I gotta stand here and pay attention because I don't want it to burn.
No.
Because I don't have no more cheese. So we get ready to put these nachos on the plate. And we get ready to plate this together. Y'all gonna come back?
Please come back.
Y'all please come back.
Yo, you see how sad she is. You'll like this video.
Y'all like this video. Please like this video. I'm not gonna go outside. Put it in the comments, Cinnamon, stay in the house. I listen when y'all tell me to stay in the house. I listen. I just want to look outside of my life.
I feel you.
But let's put these. I'm sorry, I'm getting emotional. Let's put. I better hurry up and turn this pan off before this cheese burns.
Oh, God, no.
Because guess what?
What?
I don't have no more cheese.
No, no.
Okay, so we get ready to put the nachos on the plate and we get ready to make these nachos.
Let's get it.
Okay guys, so here's my tortilla chip. I'm gonna try not to use all of them.
I'll use all of them.
So now we're getting ready to add in some meat. Okay, so now we got our meat. And now we're getting ready to go in with our lettuce. Our lettuce and tomatoes. Oh, that's a big piece of lettuce. Let me move that out the way. And now we're going in with our tomatoes. Now we're getting ready to drizzle our cheese over. And we're going to add some gigantic peppers with this. We're not going to add a whole lot, but we're just going to add just enough to give it a little, you know, because I don't like these peppers right here. They're kind of oily too. So not a whole lot. And I told y'all I don't have no sour cream. Y'all thought I was playing when I said I was putting ranch on here. I was so not playing. And we're not gonna put a lot of it on here, but we're just gonna drizzle it over here. And it's gonna be delicious. And there you go. Cinnamon quarantine nachos. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Well, wait a minute. We're gonna let Cam try these nachos. So we'll see you guys at the table.